Hello race fans, welcome back to the Rhythm Smoke Racing channel. I am your host, Rhythm Smoke, Mr. 81. So I had a question on one of my other social media channels asking me about what sim rig I was running. So just wanted to make a video to recap on what I got for my sim rig and what I'm doing when it comes to sim racing. Online, probably Amazon or something like that. I say it ran me probably somewhere around $200 for the chassis. Now I had the seat already. This seat, just some basic plastic, maybe polycarbonate, I don't know. I just picked it up. It's pretty lightweight. It's got it bolted into the bottom of the chassis. These risers came with the rig itself, and I just bolted my seat to it. The seat has its own little frame rail at the bottom of it, and I just bolted it on there. So this, and I got my other rig. It's still upstairs. My sons use that rig when we run dual races and compete against each other. They swear they faster than me, but I always have to show them who the boss is. So anyhow, moving forward, like I said, this rig, it's pretty sturdy for what it is. You know what I'm saying? It does its job. I'm always running the GT races, so I got paddle shifting Thrustmaster wheel here. I used to have a T150. I think I started out with a Logitech wheel first. Then I moved to a T150 from Thrustmaster. Then I had another T150 after that one crapped out. And then I moved to a Thrustmaster T300. So these mods don't really break the bank. The T3PA Pro pedals, they're not expensive. So, well, relatively in compared to other sim rig setups, this is not expensive at all. So I wanted to keep it, cost effective, because I put a lot more money into my actual race car, So when I race in real life, that costs way more money than sim racing. So anytime I think of, some mod that costs $500 for your sim rig, I'm like, what can I put that in my race car and actually go racing in real life? So that's what I do. So I keep it moderate, keep it simple. I got my TV all set up here, and it, big 65-inch TV just to keep it somewhat visibly clear and whatnot. So like I said, this is my sim rig. Like I said, nothing too special with it. I did change out this wheel to my Thrustmaster T300. I just bought the base by itself. This base came from, this was like the UK version of the base. So I didn't really pay too much attention to it when I bought it. So I ended up having to get a converter in order to convert the power source so that it can power this version of the base. So I bought it and tried to fire it up. The next thing I know, it's like no power in it. It wasn't working. I was like, what did I miss? And so ended up having to buy the converter, and lo and behold, it started working. So we're all good to go. I'm just running on the basic PS4 for running console. I plan on building another PC, and when I build another PC, we'll put a Assetto Corsa on that, and probably do some iRacing or something like that, switch over to those brands. But like right now, I'm currently running Assetto Corsa Competition. Sometimes I'll jump on Assetto Corsa, and then Project Cars 2, and then Gran Turismo Sport. I get a different feel out of every last one. Like each one of those titles, I get a different feel out of the game, out of the sim, and that's what I do. So if I wanna really enjoy like a weather dynamic change, or the AI is more competitive, then I will jump on like Project Cars 2 or Assetto Corsa Competition or Assetto Corsa. But in terms of Gran Turismo Sport, it's got the customization of the cars a little bit better. So I like customizing those cars and then changing the dynamics of the car a little bit better in that racing title. So anyhow, that's my rig setup. Like I said, it ain't big, it ain't special, but I put in work on it, and keeps my bones all fresh for actually racing. So that's my time, guys. I appreciate you watching, checking out the channel. Keep watching. I'm dropping a video every Thursday now. So I appreciate your time, though. If you watching this, checking it out, I appreciate all the people that's that's been here from day one, and I'm gonna keep cranking them out. And if I get time to put out more videos, I get time to put out more videos. But thanks for my time today, and thanks for watching. And remember, keep the shiny side up and the rubber side down. Peace.